Higher commodity prices and deal speculation in the property sector pushed the ASX to gains on Tuesday, with the benchmark closing firmly over the 6,000 level. The S&P/ASX 200 index notched up its fourth straight session of gains, climbing 14 points, or 0.2%, to 6013, while the broader All Ordinaries added 11 points, or 0.2%, to 6093. The Australian dollar reached US 75.34c in late trading. The Aussie has come perilously close to breaking the US 75c level recently, and softer housing data on Tuesday worked to hold the currency close to that level. The housing market has begun to gently cool following recent macroprudential moves, noted Fidelity Australian Opportunities Fund portfolio manager Kate Howitt. Still, financial conditions remain supportive for business, Ms. Howitt said, and that divergence provides the RBA with an even greater ability to finesse monetary policy. If we see wage growth, expect modest rate increases. If we see rising unemployment, expect modest rate cuts, meaning that the consumer and housing sectors have a reasonable chance of continuing to trundle along. So against the historical odds, we could see the current Australian economic expansion continue. The property sector took centre stage on Tuesday, after mall giant Westfield halted trading in its shares and told investors that it was in talks over a possible deal. Elsewhere in the listed property sector, Skidder climbed 4.1%, Dexus jumped 3.1%, Mirvac rose 2.9%, Vicinity Centres rose 2.5%, GPT climbed 2.4%. Miners and energy companies were among the strongest performers on Tuesday, with BHP Billiton up 1.7%, Rio Tinto up 1.1%, Woodside up 1.7% and Origin Energy up 1.9%. The gains came after copper prices got a boost after vehicle and loans data from China pointed to improved consumer confidence, while oil surged back to 2015 levels after a pipeline shutdown in the North Sea. ANZ shares rose 1.1%, with the banking group announcing that it will sell its life insurance business to the Australian arm of Switzerland's Zurich for $2.85 billion. Medibank shares declined 1.2%. Online retailer Kogan.com said that it will start selling budget health insurance policies under a new brand dubbed Kogan Health, after signing a deal with the private health insurer. Kogan.com gained 1.5%. Asaleo Care, owner of the sorbent toilet paper brand, lost 5% after flagging a lower full-year net profit of between $57 million and $58 million, compared to $59 million a year ago, with the firm blaming aggressive pricing tactics from competitors for the expected result. Bitcoin fever spilled over to the ASX, with shares in Digital X rocketing 4.4% higher to 24 cents. Investors are overjoyed at the blockchain technology company's decision to return to the cryptocurrency marketplace as a market maker on approved cryptocurrency exchanges. According to an announcement this morning, its board has approved the use of up to $1 million to provide liquidity to both sides of the cryptocurrency market while maintaining a small new open position in the asset being traded. As such, Digital X will maintain bid and ask limit orders below and above the spot price.